Hey everyone, my name is Julia, and starting today, I'll be reporting to you about upcoming news in the medical field. I hope you find yourselves entertained or even amazed. So today's video will consist of updates on the effects and cures for neurodegenerative diseases. Starting off with Alzheimer's disease. Lecanemab, a novel on Alzheimer's treatment, recently received accelerated approval from the Food and Drug Administration, also known as the FDA. Lecanemab has demonstrated to moderately slow cognitive and functional decline in early stages of Alzheimer's disease. Lecanemab functions by clearing the brain of a sticky protein that is thought to hasten the progression of Alzheimer's disease. So according to Section 6, quote, "It's quite exciting since this is the first medication in our history that clearly slows the progression of Alzheimer's disease." Lecanemab delayed clinical decline by 27% after 18 months of treatment in a trial with 1,795 participants who had early-stage Alzheimer's disease, compared to those who got a placebo. The amyloid protein types are known to be more damaging to brain cells are specifically targeted by the antibody therapy. This seems to be a really successful treatment with minimal side effects, so there's high hopes with those who do have Alzheimer's disease. Now, I'll leave it to my friend Abhinav to give you updates in Parkinson's disease. Thank you.
Thanks, Julia. Nice reporting you did there. My name is Abhinav, and I'll be updating you on the second most common neurodegenerative disease, Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease, or PD, is a common neurological disorder that causes quiescent tremors, motor delays, depression, and sleep disturbances. However, there is growing evidence that chromatin regulatory proteins, or CRs, are involved in a variety of biological processes, including inflammation, apoptosis, autophagy, and proliferation. But the relationship of chromatin regulators in Parkinson's disease has not been studied. A lab collected 870 chromatin regulatory factors from previous studies and downloaded data on patients with PD. 64 differently expressed genes were screened, and the interaction network was constructed. The key genes with the top 20 scores were calculated. They then discussed its correlation with the immune function of PD and screened potential drugs and microRNAs. 5 genes related to the immune function of PD, which are BANF1, PCGF5, WDR5, RYBP, and BRD2 were obtained. They also screened 10 related drugs and 12 related microRNAs, which provided a reference for the treatment of PD. BANF1, PCGF5, WDR5, RYBP, and BRD2 are related to the immune process of Parkinson's disease and can predict the occurrence of PD, which is expected to become a new target for the diagnosis and treatment of Parkinson's. That sums up just about it. Now to finalize with a joke. So why did the rope go to the doctor? Because it had a knot in its stomach.